阿生醒啦喂，唔好再瞓啦，醒下喂，黐撚線咩料啊佢？乜鬼嘢啊？唔會跌嘅喂，好勁喎！啊大師兄，我帶住佢去佩里克度咯。
As soon as you go beyond the airstrip, you must be careful. If guards get a good look at you while you are in the restricted area, they will know something is not right. Safest thing is to stay out of sight. They may have moved the signal box this time. Could be up on the tower, could be ground floor. I have connection. You can use it with the app on your phone. Now, what do we have here? Let's have a look in the vault room, in the basement. Look, in the display case, such a necklace. I do not even recognize some of these gems. Countries have gone for our next visit. Getting through the case will be a challenge. Use the wrong tool and you destroy what is inside. I will do some research. demanded to be treated with respect. Okay, you are in location, but not in gunfight. Nobody home? Perhaps they have started the job sooner than anticipated.
咁就
Will give clue to where they are. Something I can cross-reference. All I need is a photograph.
收到個線人提供嘅情報
Give me
咧
a，second.
你收聲啦！屌你！
Got them. Sending you coordinates now.
收到線人提供嘅情報咧，咁就佩利克島啊，有呢個研究呢個生化武器嘅嫌疑嘅。咁依家呢個美國政府又派咗呢個特工去調查呢件事啊。咁依家其實就只不過係去翻總部就攞呢個電漿切割器。咁啊，由於對面嗰個佩利克島嘅守衛咧就好係啊。咁啊，攞咗一次電漿切割器就可以 切爛佢哋啲玻璃啊！因為相信咧，對方係用玻璃櫃咧去儲存佢嗰啲 T 病毒，咁所以用電漿切割器去鋸爛啲玻璃咯。係啊，咁呢啱啱佢殺人咧，其實就佢哋都係一份子嚟嘅，所以係一定要殺嘅。咁啊，依家就去翻呢個嘅敵對嘅呢個佩利克島嘅軍隊咧，就搶佢啲武器，等佢哋冇武器用。唔係講下笑啫，其實係因為我只不過係想去總部攞翻啲做任務要用嘅槍，係啦。咁啊，呢個反生化武器總部咧就會提供軍火俾我嘅，咁我依家就去攞。咁就係啦。呢樣攞武器咧，通常都會請下啲同事食下子彈先嘅。咁就咁啲同事都放飯啦，都仲未食嘢，咁就係啦，請下佢哋食火神邊翻槍先咯。咁仲有位同事踎緊廁就唔使理佢啦。sorry， 唔係好熟。咁就打返啲員工資料咁啊，可以攞呢個武器啊。39638，呢度。咁呢位同事都幾大怨氣喺度做嘢，屙屎屙到咁激動。咁啊喺總部攞完任務要用嘅武器之後咧，咁啊就得㗎。大家唔使驚，佢哋係嗰啲保鏢嚟嘅。 因為為咗唔好俾即係呢個機密行動嚟啊嘛，咁所以就需要運翻啲裝備去翻呢個遊艇咯。咁平時架遊艇就會係喺水底嘅。咁啊係啦，咁啊係英國政府資助呢架遊艇，所以你見到有個英國國旗喺度。OK 啦，咁我有運，咁仲爭啲嘢未做嘅。咁我哋武器攞完電漿切割器咧，就攞呢個嘅火焰角槍啊，都係任務要用嘅裝備啦。咁因為你都知啦，人哋研究生化武器咧，咁人哋啲守衛都幾全面嘅，咁講啦。咁最好就準備充足先至去打佢哋啦。咁就戴翻個頭盔先啦，因為安全第一嘛。做個職安真漢子，揾到啦。咁其實係借用嘅啫，就唔係偷嘅。我係會還翻俾人嘅。咁係啦，因為呢樣做嘢就唔使你教，攞嚟就可以走啦。一樣運翻去，好撚煩啊！屌你呢個，俾翻 Shelly 我得唔得啊？點解我個 agent 變撚咗做個男人？明明係靚女 Shelly 同我做開嘅喎。好啊，咁咧爭呢個指紋複製器啦，咁就主要係用嚟 hack 入去對面儲存生化武器嘅地方啦。好啦，咁嚟到呢個倉庫咧。呢個時候你抌個手榴彈就 OK 嘅啦。你真係好撚嘈啊！屌你老母，點咁多嘢講嘅會？咁知道複製器邊呢？去複製器啦。CCTV 啊！屌老母！有幾型仔？揾到啦！咁去到呢步其實都差唔多準備好可以去單拖同呢個洛聖都嘅警局就借一架船啊，係啦，借一架船。咁你呢個反生化部，你講完未？次次講嘢都要講嘢嘅，真係好撚煩。
Quickly, we can get it before it is taken somewhere more secure. You will need vehicle capable of towing the boat trailer. I have found location of some options for you. On your GPS now.
Let's meet up next week.
咁啊，因為呢個反生化部門 Neo 特工咧係同呢個警局有合作嘅，咁就依家就去翻警局攞翻呢個嘅，唔係攞翻係
I
借
like about you, Capitan. You bring your own knife to a knife fight. And your own truck, huh? Now, hitch it to the boat trailer, then see if your truck can outrun the police.
咁警局都好配合啦，就一早等翻好架車俾我
Obviously, you will need to lose them before you return.
借俾我啦。咁佢哋都好熱情啊，熱情到係直情要護送我，即係我借架船啫，使唔使咁熱情啊？仲要護送我走，幾唔捨得我係啊！佢哋雖然我係幫咗佢哋好多，但係都唔使咁樣回答我啦。咁佢哋都不忘趁我呢個借船嘅時候，都放下啲煙花啊、炮仗咁樣，真係助下興咁樣咯。
So, Capitan.
咁佢哋咁熱情咧，我都唔知點回答佢哋好啊。咁啊，唯有同佢哋一齊游下水，咁就真正嘅感情咯。咁啊，游水前咧就換翻套衫先啦。
You load the boat to the docks. I have contact who can fix it and store it until we are ready. I have made arrangements for disguises. It is not like these people have uniform. Exciting times, Capitan.
呢個幾嬲嘅。
Good work, Charlie. Welcome back again. I have been thinking, perhaps Mr. Rubio thinks we are finished with him. He tells himself we would have to be crazy to keep coming back, but he does not appreciate Russian military strategy. We make no distinction between madness and genius, huh? Okay, come. Let us give him another lesson. Not long now till landfall. GPS tracker confirmed. I have your position. I will also access compound CCTV once you are inside. Some advice. When dealing with paranoid drug lords, expect CCTV everywhere.
咁我相信呢啲就係、其實現金只不過係個掩飾嚟嘅啫。咁其實咧就因為呢啲財物係要充公。
Don't worry about leaving space in your bag for main objective. I have crafted special compartment for it. Cushioned, of course. self-sufficiency, infiltrating private islands on your own. In Russia, we bring friends, and our friends bring bags. More money in bags. Perhaps next time, yes?
OK 啊，咁左邊呢啲就係、相信咧就係、敵人主腦研究嘅 T 病毒啦。咁呢啲又全部都係回收嘅。
As my uncle would say, you kill the moose, you carry it home. You understand? Yes. The heavier the things you take, the slower you will be.
咁呢啲就可能係 G 病毒，咁都係要回收啦。OK， 咁回收完就可以走啦。咁我仲有一樣嘢未回收嘅，咁就係呢個頸鏈啊。咁其實就唔係頸鏈，係呢個金毛咧，即係敵人嘅主腦。你唔好嘈啦，屌你老母！
Mr. Rubio is best thing that ever happened to us. And we are worst thing ever happened to him, huh?
咁個金毛咧就將呢個 T 病毒嘅研究資料咧，就刻咗喺呢個頸鏈度。咁我依家任務就係要回收翻呢個咁嘅資料啦，G 病毒資料，交俾總部啦。依家就係呢、個由呢個地下水道潛入佢嘅基地。
You know, a man like Mr. Rubio, he would rather die than abandon his expensive taste, no matter how many times he is robbed. In Russia, we call such men ATM.
咁我 Leon 咧嘅肺活量就好撚勁。想當年咧，佢俾人韞住咗喺個充滿住水嘅水缸玻璃啦，咁啊出唔到嚟。咁佢竟然咧係靠同行一個女特工咧打茄輪從而獲得個空氣啊！
Excellent.
真
Did I
係
ever tell you about the sewers in my hometown? It was there I first decided to join the Navy. Perhaps it will have the same effect on you. We will see. Off you go.
咁出到嚟就行呢邊啦，咁就
You did not get sucked into a turbine. I knew you'd be fine. How likely is it I have two operations in the same way, huh? Now, we'll look for the vault. Maybe start in the central building. Watch out for the Mr. Rubio's personal bodyguards. They patrol this area. They will know every soldier on the island. Them you cannot fool, no matter what you are wearing.
Todas esas ratas subiéndose al barco. Así es como se cuadra.
死我唔記得錄添。
Que traiga la cabeza del ladrón. Prepárase para cuando vuelva. Esa es su oportunidad.
好似係呢邊，仆街。
check the safe, I think. Good, you are at the scanner. The tool we stole from the head of cybersecurity will find partial prints left on the scanner. You just have to cycle through them to match them up to the target print. Do not give up on a locked door. Why not ask a guard nicely for the key? Success! Good. Now, into the elevator. We are almost there. And here we are. Again.
ๆ應該冇事喎。
Now, how are your nerves? Steady? You will need them to be if you want to get into that bulletproof display case. Steady nerves and a plasma cutter.
殺咗樓梯嗰條友好似唔會響警局，我印象中。
The problem with plasma cutters, you are not careful, they overheat. I learned this the hard way. Cutting into undersea pipeline, at least you are above the waterline, yes? Boy, you will have trouble sneaking out with this necklace. It is visible in space, I think. It looks like they have sealed off the drainage pipe you used to get in here. You will have to find another way out.
你可以啱啱嗰個位跳出嚟嘅都
Extra
得，
guards just arrived. Be careful.
不過就
，Well done. The compound is done. The only thing left to do is escape. Carry on like this and they will never know you were there. The airstrip exit point should be on your radar. The water is full of attack boats. You will need to be careful.
游水啦，咁就因為
You know, this time I think you may have
其實冇
broken
咩
your
因為行水路總之走路。
Warning! Looks like Mr. Rubio is getting back in his helicopter, just like last time.
咁啊行到去呢個骷髏骨位係啦，呢、個骷髏骨咧應該差唔多啦。咁又可以咁就走得㗎啦，咁就係啦。咁又成功回收到呢、個，咁啊交翻俾總部啦，係啦。咁又有錢收啦。咁又俾咗出糧又出咗，政府出咗110萬糧俾我，咁又俾現金啊！真係大方咧，政府。咁我同呢個高層飲翻杯酒先啦，咁 OK 啦，咁又 OK。 呢度就可以捉嗰啲，
Sure.
即係拉嗰啲嫌疑犯啊！就主要係
Sure.
同關乎於研究生化武器嘅嫌疑犯咯，咁樣又可以喺度拉佢哋喺度。係啦，冇錯。咁我截之又買咗間酒吧喺度嘅，係啦。咁正當生意嚟嘅。
Hey, boss.
你冇乜跌人氣喎。喂，有啲搞事嘅，不如踢佢出去啦。咁我遲啲先攞啦，得個5萬蚊。話晒都係 Leon S. Kennedy，點可以唔揸波子啊？好啊，咁今集嘅 Resident Evil 咧，第4集係咁多先啦。咁多謝大家收睇啦，咁我哋下次再見，拜拜。